Hey everyone, in this video we will show you how to fix iPhone not receiving emails. First, open the Mail app on your iPhone. Here you can reload the image to check if new emails have been received or not. On the top, tap on Mailboxes and you can see the spam mails to check your spam mails. Another way is to go to the Settings app. Scroll down and look for the Apps option. Now tap on it and find the Mails app. After that, tap on it and enable the Mobile Data option. It'll help you receive the mails even if your Wi-Fi is not connected. Then tap on Mail Accounts and enable the Mail option in Gmail. If it's not working, go to your browser and search for Is Gmail Down. Visit the first website and you'll find the graph that will help you know about the work on Gmail. The last option is to go to the settings again and you can delete your account. It'll not delete your data or any emails in your account. Here, add your account by continuing with Google and choosing your Google account. Finally, you can save it and it'll fix the iPhone not receiving emails issue. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.